Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to update privacy policy based content on your Shopify online store. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you are very serious about your privacy policy of your business and you want to avoid legal issue, also you want to present your business different than your competitor, you want to build trust on your customers, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. So let's get started. So here is my Shopify online store. You have to first log in your Shopify admin panel, and you can see that I am right now on the admin panel. Then click on settings. Okay, but before updating or showing you how to update the privacy policy content, I want to show you why it's important. So I have already asked ChatGPT. It is right now a part of our daily life. So let's see what's happened or what is the result in here. So you can see that benefit of updating your Shopify privacy policy content. First of all, build customer trust. It's very important. Privacy policy content build customer trust, and your business fully depend on your customers trust, and your long run business build on customer trust. Okay, then ensure legal complaints. That's mean if you keep your privacy policy up to date, you will not face in any legal complaints from your customers. Then enhance brand credibility. It's very important to increase your business reputation, and by adding updated privacy policy content you can reduce legal risks. You will not face any legal issue. And then improve customers retention. Customers are more likely to return a store they trust with their personal information. So this is very important to get return customers or repeated customers on your Shopify online store. And finally, reflect business changes. And here is another things why it's important to keep it update. So in the top we have learned the benefit of updating privacy policy content, and now we can see that here is the why it's important to keep it update. First of all, changing law, privacy regulation involve staying update about non-complaints, new featured or apps. Adding new Shopify app or featured may change how you collect or use data. Third-party service, if you use services like Google Analytics or email marketing tools, your policy must be disclose this. Then transparency aspect, modern customer expect to know how their data is used or updated policy can hunt trust. Platform requirement, Shopify and payment processor may require a valid privacy policy to remain in good standing. So I hope you understand the importance of privacy policy update and the benefit of updating privacy policy or adding privacy policy on your Shopify online store. But as a beginner you cannot do this because you just started your business with Shopify and you are not a technical guys, and that's why I'm going to show you how you can do this. So we are in there. Let me show you again. First you have to log in your Shopify admin panel, then click on the settings. So in here go to the customer privacy in this section, and now you can see that privacy settings. Here is the privacy policy. Publish it on your online store automatically, but click on here to update it. Now you can update this privacy policy based on your requirement. You see, you can update as you like. You can make anything bold, for example, make it bold. You can add link in anywhere. You can add image, table, everything, heading, title, fully customizable edit section. Then finally you have to click on the save. After click on the save, for example, click on save, it has been updated. You see, privacy policy right now automated remove because we have updated it manually. So I hope you understand how to change or update privacy policy page on your Shopify online store. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.